Hi guys, welcome! We're almost at 7,000 subscribers. I'm literally so excited and like beyond like amazed. I was gonna use another big word, but I didn't know what big word to use. But I'm super excited. 7,000 subscribers. That's 7,000 people. Like, damn. But thank you guys so much. I wanted to do this video for you guys because it is the season to be a mermaid. So I am gonna be doing a mermaid makeup tutorial for Halloween using Rihanna's new highlighting palette. So if you guys would like to see this video, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And let's get right into this video. You guys, here's the thing, okay? Have you guys seen my Halloween makeup for It last year? So this is gonna be me attempting to do another makeup tutorial, another Halloween makeup. Let me take this off. Take all my ice. I'm gonna be using this Chillowt foil highlighting palette because I thought that this would be very nice for like a mermaid look because of all the sheer stuff and stuff. You guys, I have fishnets, so I'm gonna use this dress I can't fit anymore. This is when I was in my thought days. I'm gonna go in with this pigment color that I got from the dollar store. Lord, please let this work. And then I'm just gonna pretty much contour. Girl, do not look at my lace. Just ignore it. Don't look at it. Pretty much where I contour, I'm gonna put that purple. And this has a little bit of sheer in it too. So it kind of goes well for the look. Bruh, especially if you don't really want to go to like, if you have to dress up for a Halloween party. Yeah, I don't know what outfit you should wear, but you know, wear something sexy. Again. It already looks pretty mermaid-ish, right? You guys, I was supposed to be filming Vlogtober and stuff, but I ended up not doing a lot of stuff. I didn't want to bore you guys. So I saved my Vlogtober for the end of October because I'm doing a lot of things like pumpkin patches and stuff. Because, you know, doing stuff like that could be really expensive. So I'm just, you know, waiting where I have like enough time and to be going around doing a lot of fun, entertaining things. So from next week, moving forward, your girl will be going to pumpkin patches and trying some pumpkin stuff and going to a haunted house, and I'll be showing you guys everything. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this. And this is just like an easy tutorial, not even a tutorial. I don't know what to call it yet, to be honest, but I'm gonna wait till it turns out right, then I'm gonna say it's a tutorial. If it don't turn out right, I'm gonna say it wasn't a tutorial. Y'all was tripping. Who said that? So I saw the girl on YouTube do this with her face. Shit, my eyebrows. God. Oh no, that's not gonna work. And you're pretty much gonna put the net on your face. You're gonna put this powder where you put the contour, and I'm gonna be using Scandal. God, how the hell am I? I'm gonna be using this color and this color and this color. So all the cool I'm gonna be using all the cool colors, guys. That's really messing up my eyebrows. Going back in. And you're just gonna keep stamping it on your face. Well, I'm gonna also brush a little bit of the purple off, go in with the bluish highlight, and peel that off. Ooh! It's a tutorial! Oh my god, look at that. Do you see the scales? It's a tutorial. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side. And then I'm gonna put it on my chin as well. So I got this blue glitter from the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna get that blue glitter and kind of add it a little bit, and just so it gives like a little iridescent type of sheen. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the blue glitter just so it looks more not comical. I ain't trying to look comical, I'm trying to look serious. But just so it looks more like a mermaid type of thing. I don't want to mess up them scales though. You see that shit? Okay. Now that I have pretty much the foundation done, I'm gonna use No Chill from the Snow Nights. Ooh, I have seashells. Give me 1 second. So I put a shell on my face, or that's doing too much. I don't know if that's doing too much. Then I'm gonna get some seashells. These are actually real ones. Homie, how are you dry? I just got you. Yo, this is why you can't buy nothing from the dollar store. It's dry. I'm gonna use eyelash glue because I have no other. Oh no, I use hair glue. I ain't finna waste my eyelash glue. I'm sure you can get seashells from somewhere like Home Goods. You can get everything at Home Goods. You couldn't stay for the thumbnail. I have to hold them there for a long time. You guys, this doesn't take that long. It's just so annoying. Okay. We not gonna move. We not gonna move. But you guys, this was a quick, easy tutorial. I can't really move my neck that much. I probably shouldn't have put the seashells there, but I really wanted to just look like a mermaid and, you know, for thumbnail purposes. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to join the Taylor tribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys are alerted every time I post a video. Follow me on Instagram because I know you've seen it how it looks now, but how it's gonna look on Instagram after Facetune. Until next time, share it with your auntie. But until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye. Do I really look like a mermaid fish though? Do I? Do I?